What's the dilly, man? What's up? What it is? What it look like? It's your boy JB about to wake your game up. Wake it up, wake it up, wake it on up. What's up, gang? With some game? Everything else looks strange. And we don't do the lame, so get up, use your brain. Then wake up and do your thing. Top of it, man. What's the big idea, man? What's the business out there to my folks, man? Salute. Make sure y'all do all the stuff and just let me know what it is, man. We about to talk about it. It's been and this ain't nothing new, but it's just more rapid, more consistent. A lot of people, man, playing life, man, playing with their freedom, playing with their life on this internet. As we can see, that this clout thing is, it's big. It's a drug. It's the new drug. It's the new wanna be seen. Gotta explain myself because somebody said something, or I ain't going out like that. And it's really not real, man. But it can get you really knocked down, and it can get you really, you know, behind them walls, because a lot of people telling on themselves, and oh, I'ma do this and do that, and and the metaphors ain't even that you gotta look in too much. It's pretty much direct. A lot of sneak dissing, a lot of people business being brought out, people real names, people that know. It's just it's wild, man. And when there's a lot of exposing, and then other people exposing, then they get exposed because somebody knows something about them, and it's just wild, man. It's wild on this YouTube, on these YouTube streets. We got religious people that be talk about the creator beefing. We got gangsters beefing. We got rappers beefing. We got people doing a lot of dry snitching and telling, man. Then we got a lot of people that's acting like they something that they not, man. And it's crazy. It's crazy. And YouTube has changed the world, man, because you could be real bold, you know what I'm saying? You ain't really got to stand on nothing until you really got to stand on it. So it's a whole lot of, gimmicks, contradicting, people saying that they know good because it is, and it's a whole bunch of bad stuff, and a lot of hate and a lot of wishing down, man. And I get it, I understand it. We're in a hateful world. We're in, a lot of people in competition, man, but there's no competition when you can't compete. And we just see a whole lot of people really not believing in themselves like that, or they wouldn't have to put the next man down to make themselves feel like they somebody. And I get it, because it's what they say, the trolls is vicious, man. They be out here talking real crazy, real reckless, and want to see something. Who the next gonna go down and get locked up? Who gonna get, not here no more? It's just it's crazy, man. But this is it's a lot of evil, and it's also a lot of good stuff, a lot of information too that's positive. So I guess it's all how you use this, this internet and situations, man. But I just been watching, and I'm like, man, is there any good people left, man? Where the good people that just don't hate, people, or don't feel like they in competition and competing? We see these dudes competing and comping and mad because somebody look like they doing something, but as I look at it, is they might be getting little funds and all that, and but they gotta look like they taking L's more than they winning. Now other people might look at it as winning. Oh yeah, you on the 5 million podcast, woo. But then we see how people, are playing with people, who they are. Oh, I stand on this and all that and this and that, and then you see that this internet, or these people that they work with or whatever, is showing who they really are. They looking less than, you know what I'm saying? At first they might have got all the praise. Oh, he do, and then everybody's critiquing, however you say that, and watching, and say, hey man, this dude bozo the clown, man, this whoop whoop. And a lot of people just selling out, because one thing we all know is, on this internet, to go viral, man, you got to do some real crazy things to look real silly, or get whooped on, or whoop on somebody, and then you can put yourself in behind them bars. So it's kind of crazy, man. But I see that it does open up your eyes to like when in the streets. Now I'm an older dude. I'll be chilling. I ain't on none of the BS until I gotta be, until it come. Then I gotta do what I gotta do. But I'm not looking for it, and I'm not turned up and like back like I used to be. So it's not that, but it do show you, man, that these people be in the streets. You ain't got friends, man, and your enemies. It's not your enemies more than the people close to you, than these hating people or the people that really be like infatuated with you. Hey, what's whooping? Just be weird stuff going on, man. And I'm glad that always be open. And the internet is a good thing to show certain people, the younger generation, how silly some of this stuff look, or how some of are being with the business and use a real one and bloop bloop bloop, and then all of a sudden you on the PC yard, or it shows some truth to behind the to the madness, method behind the madness. See some stuff that should wake you up, man, and let you know what it is, because some of this stuff ain't real, but you will see the real, man. And I just think the clout need to like, is there gonna be a different topic? Is it gonna be any type of change? And yeah, I could be the change. I could start doing, good positive stuff, or talking about some educational or but people ain't really trying to watch that. You know what I'm saying? And the ones that are, they got they go to guys. And it's just crazy how these haters are snakes, and you see all this fake stuff. And the thing where the game was supposed to be loyalty, respect, and standing on business and action, and you know what I mean? And it's so watered down, and the internet is so, but it's probably, it's been like that, you know what I'm saying? But now it's up close and personal to see, man. So yeah, don't follow these goofballs, man. But it is entertaining, and some stuff you do like to watch of the, a lot of these people going out like that, man, doing the dance, doing the, acting a fool, acting a clown. We love to see it, especially the ones that's not like us. They love to see it. Like, look at you stupid. You know what I'm saying? We see it all the time on this internet. But yeah, man, be careful who you deal with. There's a lesson that a lot of people should learn. And as far as women, so-called friends, no matter how long you known them, some people hold on to hate and make it look different, you know what I'm saying? Be really out to, and really against you, and can't wait every time you lose to celebrate. And we can see that, like even with the folk extra been talking about him, he went to jail. The no jumper trying to break it down a little bit and make him look kind of, as long as he's on there, they're going to throw it inch by inch and make him look even less like he say he is. So, we see all this, man, but it's time to wake up, especially as our people, to be more like on some positive and not hating. Because look, it's so many people, and then it ain't even just the YouTube beefs. It's like people from the same thing and was on here cool by y'all. This my guy. We the ones. We the whoop whoop. And then they going. So it shows that fame and this clout, man, a break up a good thing, man. We done seen it to couples that was on here that no longer, then he took her out in himself, man. He no longer exists because there's greed and jealousy and competition, man, when you shouldn't be in competition with nobody but yourself, because nobody can be you, man. But anyway, man, that's all I got to say. I just pressed record, freestyle this, didn't really know what I was gonna say, but the internet has been going crazy, and it's always some drama, always some beef. And I was wondering to myself, could that make certain people or a wake up call? Or everybody just in the, well, he did this and paperwork and whooping. He out here taking it, and they going crazy, man. They going crazy. And it's easy to go to fall in line with the foolishness, man. But it's time to get it right, man. Wake up. Bless people, get blessed. Stop being a hater. Stop being a demon, man. Cause at the end, it ain't gonna be. You ain't gonna get no benefits out of it. It's gonna turn all bad. So not to preach and all that, but really than seeing this on this internet with the YouTube streets, man, and it look like everybody that's once you up there, man, they taking you down, man. This king of the hill, and then when they come up, they looking everybody going to reach him down. It's jealous, envy, and whoo, it's a cold thing, man. But y'all see it, man. Y'all know what it is. It's your boy JB. Motivation. Let's all get along. Or if not all get along, let's stay focused, stay solid, not hate on the next person, man. You win, but you know what I'm saying? There ain't none of that. And we all see a lot of fakeness is being promoted, you know what I'm saying? Or just struggles and shit that you ain't want to deal with is being promoted, and people love to see it. But anyway, man, it's your boy, and I'm out. Y'all let me know what it is. Make sure y'all follow, comment, subscribe, notification bell, man, all the stuff is just, man. Holla at your boy, man. I talk back. Yeah.